Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. In this video, we are going to discuss one important advanced topic, that is black hole. Recently, NASA Observatory find so the images of the black hole they are finding. So those images of the black hole they revealed. So what are those things? What is the information inside this theory? We will see. So this is a great discovery. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, NASA people, James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory and Chandra X-ray Observatory, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory, Chandra X-ray Observatory have discovered a mysterious black hole. That black hole name is LID 568 with a low mass supermassive nature. Low mass is very low, supermassive nature. This is the superfluidic nature, means that is a two fluid nature. So in the physics, so single fluid, two fluid space nature, low mass supermassive nature is there. So that black hole they are discovering. Who discovered? NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, Chandra X-ray Observatory. In the Chandra X-ray Observatory, they are using this telescope. A team of researchers using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and the Chandra X-ray Observatory has discovered a bizarre black hole. Discovered a which black hole it is? Bizarre black hole. The new found black hole designated LID 568 is a low mass supermassive black hole that existed just 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang theory. So they existed after the 1.5 billion years Big Bang theory. So that is the theory they are identified. The black hole was feeding on a surrounding cloud of matter at almost 40 meters greater than what astrophysicists through was the upper limit. So this one they are identified. What is a black hole? A black hole is a extremely dense object. It is a extremely dense object, that is very important. A black hole is a extremely dense object whose gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it. So this is very advanced one. Light also cannot escape in the gravity of the black hole. Immediately that should be attracted. It is a strong attraction force are there. That is the capacity of the black hole. Say so dangerous. The characteristics: a black hole does not have a surface like a planet or star. Instead, it is a region of space where matter has collapsed in on itself. So this catastrophic collapse results in a huge amount of mass being concentrated in an incredible small area. So that's why this black hole can form. So like Earth, like Mars, like Venus, so there is no surface of the black hole, but a planet, star like that, there is no surface. Instead of, it is a region, a space where matter has collapsed in on itself. Matter has collapsed. Because of the collapsing the matter, a huge amount of mass is being concentrated in an incredible small area. So that's why black hole can form. A black hole is formed when a really massive star runs out of fuel to fuse, blows up, leaving its core to implode, so under its weight to form a black hole. A black hole is formed when a really massive star, if you have to take, so that is out of fuel to fuse, blows up, leaving its core to implode under its weight to form a black hole. The center of a black hole is a gravitational singularity. a point where the general theory of relativity breaks down, that is where its predictions does not apply. A black hole's great gravitational pull energies as if from the singularity. So, that is a great advantage. So, this is the event of Arizona black hole. This one we call it as a singularity of the black hole. This is the photon sphere surrounding the black hole. A relativistic jet can form like this. This is the Arcturian disk. We all take, there is a singularity is there, event horizon, photon sphere is there, relativistic jet is there, innermost stable orbit, Arcturian disk. So, these are the parts of the black hole. This is the parts of the black hole. In this black hole, there is a singularity is there. So, there is a matter has collapsed in this. So, fuel, suppose you have to take the star, the matter is collapsed. Instead of this collapsing mass, so much of massive power is concentrated at one place. So, that is why it can form as a black hole. Clear? So, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. This will help you in your competitive examination. Recently, NASA people invented this one new variety of the black